Hello. Hi, everybody. How you doing? I'm fantastic, and thank you so much for tuning to watch this video. And yeah, I guess you like the look, but please, before we do anything, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That helps build my channel, and you'll be supporting me. Okay, let's get on with it. First and foremost, I do my brows, and after doing my brows I just use that moisturizer to moisturize my face, and I've been loving this moisturizer. I bought a starter kit, and now I bought the real deal. I think starter kits are great for when you're beginning to use a product and you don't know how it will work. Then I just applied primer after moisturizing my face. Then I'm using my concealer and apply it on my eyelids, so my eyelids can be one color unified, and also so that my eyeshadows can pop more into my lids. And then in this video I didn't set my eyelids. I decided to try that that new look, so I'm using this like eyeshadow to set the lid. And then I just blend it out because this eyeshadow is not really too dark, it's not really too light, it's almost my skin color. So yeah, and then I decided to go with the yellow around my brow bone area, close to my brow bone. I wanted all my shades to be high because I wanted to cut my smoky eye cut crease a little bit more higher. You'll see as the video goes on of what I'm talking about. And now I took that color and then I applied into my imaginary crease that I'm about to create. Just below above my crease, but below the yellow one, so that I wanted a little gradient. I didn't want a straight black color, I wanted like a build up. And now I'm using the slightly darker brown color into my crease. I wanted layers into this eyeshadow look. I didn't want it to be plain black pa. That's it. And I just blend. And the key for this look is to blend. So now I'm just going back with that color, since I lost it a little bit when I was applying this into my crease. And I also went back with the yellow, but I didn't really show it. And now I took this flat brush and I'm tapping the black color into my lid. Like with this eyeshadow, you can't really make mistakes. It's very pigmented and there's no wiping it off. So if you made a mistake, you're gonna. I just applied all over my lid first, and then I go up like I apply it as if I'm doing a cut crease. Yeah, that's it. I applied it as if I'm doing a cut crease. As usual, I applied slightly above my normal crease because I have hooded eyes and I have very tiny lid space. So that's what I did, and then I did the same thing on my other lid. Now I took that dark brown color and I'm using it to blend the edges of the smoky eye. I didn't want it to look like like a cut crease. I wanted it to be like flawless. As I said, the key for this look is blending, so I just blended the edges for it not to look crazy. Now I'm done. I just took a wipe and just removing all the fallout under my eyes. Then I went back and moisturized my eyes again. As you all know, I usually have crazy eye bags, so I don't want it to be like crazy or anything. Hence I decided to moisturize again and decided to let me just prime my face again, all over again. Use a different primer. This is more hydrating and the first one is more matte. I don't know why I switched it up but yeah, I did it. And then I used my spray as usual that I like, and that's my foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I use a brush to spread all over my face. I have a very detailed video on my foundation routine that I would link it down in the description bar. I think I did the exact same thing. Every time I do my foundation routine, is the exact same thing. Like I don't change or anything. So I'll put that in the description bar so that you can, if you want details on how I do my foundation and concealer and all that, and my everything. So now I just apply my concealer under my eyes. I have like this warrior look going on. So yeah, I also applied concealer on my forehead and on my cheek, my chin, and then I just blended using the corner of the beauty blender, and I make sure to use the concealer to create a sharp line under my eyeshadow so that the shadow can look sharp and not all over the place. And I just blend, and then I go back in with the side that I use for my foundation. I have a detailed video on how I do all this. I'll link it down in the description bar. Instead of setting I decided to bake my face, and yeah, that's all I did, and apply the translucent banana powder all over where I applied my concealer. Now I'm just contouring. I usually like a very light contour, and I normally don't. I just do a powder, apply a bronzer or a powder contour, nothing crazy at all. And then I go for my jawline, and now I'm just removing all that banana powder. For blush, I'm just using the peach shade from my from the eyeshadow palette, and I happen to really like this palette. It's quite pigmented, and I applied a little bit of it, and now I'm blending it into my skin, and then now I'm doing a light nose contour. Yeah. Now, as usual, I'm setting my face and I'm applying a lot of that. And while it's still wet, I just tap in the highlighter. I feel like this gives me a very nice finish and a nicer, more natural looking glow. So I just try to tap it into my skin, in the area above my, like close to my cheek, and just go circular around my eye. And yeah, I never forget to highlight my nose. And I don't apply too much of it. Now applying my all-time favorite Image dark black pencil in my waterline. Yeah, I just wanted to get very close to my waterline, and I touched it underneath my eyes slightly. And then now I'm using the black color to build up on the waterline so that the color under my eyes, like my lower lash, can pop. Yeah, and it looks a little bit catty when I do that, and I like the look. And now I'm just lining my lip with the black pencil. With this black pencil, I just go very lightly. I don't really go overboard. And the key to using a black pencil to lighten your lip, you have to blend it out after when you're done. And I'm using my my Maybelline lipstick, matte lipstick. Yeah, matte lipstick. I think it's in the shade Red Engine, but I'll link everything in the description bar. You don't need to worry about anything like that. Then I go with this eyeshadow palette, with my highlighter, and I was a bit confused. I tried to do a little bit gold around my eyes. Then I'm like, you know what? Let me just apply a little bit more maroony color because I wanted it to flow. And I eventually loved it, and this is the final look. Yes, if you want detail about this wig, just oh, just inbox me on my Instagram. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.